Hello everyone, how to separate first name and last name. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data, the list of name. So here I'm going to split this both name in different column. So let's start. Simply select the entire column. Then go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the text to column option. And here the one dialog box is open, convert text to column wizard. Choose the file type that best describe your data. First select the delimited. Select the delimited and check here the preview of selected data. After that, click on next. And here again you can check here the preview data. To separate the both name, just click on the space option, and here you can see the one line is break both name and is separated in different column. Okay, just click on the next and click on the finish. That's it. Here you can see you can easily separate the first name and last name in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.